Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create synthetic wood texture in Photoshop. This episode is made out of 3 series of videos, and this is the final look that we'll be achieving in the last series. When I zoom in, this is the kind of wood grain we'll be achieving, but in later series, we'll be creating the wood panels and also embossing the text. Let us get started. When you're creating textures with filters, be very specific with the size of your composition. Our final composition will be this image. So while creating a background texture, we need to specify the size as per our final composition. Go to image size. This composition has 3000 by 12,000 pixels. Since we'll be working with gradient blur, it normally blurs the edges too much, so we increase the width by 200 on each side. So our wood panel will be 3200 pixels. We don't have to match the height. We make the height 600. Let's cancel. Go to File, New. Give it a width of the 200, a height of 600. For this to work, make sure the background contents is transparent. Click on Create. Let us go to the Layers panel. Since we'll be applying multiple filters to the background, let us first convert it to Smart Object. Right click on an empty area on the right of the layer. Convert to Smart Object. Plus D for default foreground and background colors. Go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Go to Filter again, Blur, Motion Blur. We need our grains to be horizontal, so leave the angle at 0. Change the distance to 250. Go to the bottom of the Layers panel. Click on Adjustment Layers. Choose Fossilize. This normally helps simplify the number of colors in an image. Change the levels to 24. Click on the creeping mask icon. Let us rename the Fossilize layer to Wood Maker. Let us now combine the two layers into a smart object. Click on the wood layer. Shift click on the clouds layer. Right click. Convert smart object. Let us now improve the visibility of our contours. Go to the bottom of the layers panel. Adjustment layers. Levels. Change the black point to 30. Tab through to the white point. Change it to 215. Go to the midpoint. Change it to 0.9. Let's go back to the layer panels. Click on the wood maker. Let us now add some shadow behind our color lamps. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass. As you can see, some shadows are already behind our color lamps. Choose a radius of 5. Click OK. Let us add some grain. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Give it an amount of 2%. Distribution, Gaussian, and also check monochromatic to avoid color fringing. Click OK. Let us soften the grains a bit. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Leave the angle at 0. Let us give it a value of 10. Click OK. Let us now enhance our contours. Go to Filter, Stylize, Emboss. Give it an angle of 15, height of 1, and crank the amount to 500%. Click OK. To make the effect pop, we need to change the blending mode of our emboss filter. Double click on the slider on the right of the emboss filter to bring the blending option dialog box. Change the blend mode to linear light. And there we have our well-laced contours. They are all grayed out. Now the only thing we need to do is add a color overlay. Go to the bottom of the layers panel. Go to Effects, Color Overlay. Click on the color swatch. Give it a hue of 35, saturation 100, brightness 50. Click OK. Change the blending mode to color. Click OK. And there we have our synthetic wood texture. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on upcoming episodes.